Hi, Kuya. What you get there?
It's football from Grandma.
Yeah, can you show me? Wow, that's really nice. So you all just need the gloves. Let me see.
Yeah.
That's really
It's not
nice.
flat, I
It
guess.
is fun. And it needs air. Sorry.
Because Kuya is trying to be a
It's been outside in the cold.
professional football.
All
High
Sure.
school regulation size. High school?
Let me
We
see.
use these guys? The size, yeah. The color doesn't matter. Like, yeah,
I like it.
size.
I like
huge.
it brown. I like it my
Show me,
brown,
show me.
black,
Your.
and-
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I can catch with this football.
Throw it at James. Go over there, James. Go over there. Let's see.
Catching should be.
Is it good? Come on, Foggy. There you go. Again.
Don't hit me.
Aim for his head.
Alright. We're about to eat right now. Hey. Hey, Minion. Can you say hi?
Hey,
Can you say hi?
What did we get to eat today?
today is
What did we get to eat?
I can touch what?
What is that?
Because it's day 5, 2, like you leave this time.
Is this pizza?
Is it pizza or chicken?
Then the face ups.
The pizza's okay. Hey, Kuya. Show me your football again. Did you throw it at James?
Yeah.
So what you gonna say to the grandma?
Thank you for buying me this. I appreciate it.
Say bye. Don't forget to.
Subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below.
Okay, dokes. Bye.
Yeah, you guys really thought that was the end of the video? Please. Hold on, just a minute. Let me turn off these lights real quick. There you go. Look at that. For you. Stop, stop.